Hey, Sam R here, and welcome to this demo of Social Zen. Now, this is a very, very in-depth cloud-based software. So today we're going to take a look at a lot of the features that it can execute for you and have a full walkthrough of the software itself. Now, this is perfect for those of you who have multiple social media accounts that need managing on the daily basis, or if you're looking for content to either curate and repost, or content that you can schedule in advance, then this is for you. So here we are on the dashboard. We've got some demo accounts hooked up here. So what we need to do is we go down to Auto Social. Now we've clicked on Auto Social, you can see the sort of depth that is available in Social Zen. You can hook up your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, Google+, and even your LinkedIn account. So let's jump into Facebook to start things off. So here we are on the Facebook dashboard. Now from here you can add in your Facebook account and start executing actions with it. But today I'm just going to show you sort of the sorts of things you can do within Social Zen. So obviously here is where we manage our accounts. We can add accounts, delete accounts. But the interesting thing is we can do group posting or fan page posting. So we can either search out and look for groups. So if we click on join group and we put in our niche like real estate, let's just say that's our niche, and we click search. So that's going to come up with a whole bunch of real estate groups, that could be relevant to us. We can also, make them open or closed groups and filter the minimum amount of members in case you're after a certain amount, certain type of group. Now from here, what we can do is we can go through and join these lists, these groups. I don't know if you can bulk join just clicking on this. No, it doesn't look like you can bulk join, but you have to go through and manually join them. But once you are a part of the groups, what you can do as well is within fan page. Actually, I'll show you the posting side of things soon. So you can do the same with fan pages as well. So you go real estate, and if we can search minimum likes, so we can sort of figure out what is the best amount, if we're looking for a certain demographic or a certain authority one that has more likes, we can do that too. So from here we can also search these Facebook fan pages as well. Okay, now what we can do from here is we can run campaigns. So if we click in campaigns, we add new. Basically from here we choose our account, and what we can do is we can start putting together the metrics needed to be able to start posting within a fan page, that we're following, or our own fan page, right? Now what we can do is we can also set up auto replies as well within here. So people comment and things like that, you can do that. So you can start engaging with people within the Facebook fan page, and you can do this in the groups as well. So you can start posting about your own sorts of products or things like that, or you can even just comment and reply just to start engaging to help bring people over to you and turn them into followers of yours. So there is a way to be able to interact within Facebook. Now we're going to show you how to do posts and schedule them a little bit later on. So let's take a look at the other social networks on here. So we have Twitter and Instagram as well. Okay, so with Instagram, there's a couple of accounts, demo accounts hooked up here. But from here, what we can do is we can basically set up our account to do some automation features. So we can have it to auto like, we can have it to auto comment, we can have it to auto follow and auto unfollow as well. So what we can do is we can customize how many likes we want it to do a day, how many comments we want it to do, before this is how many likes or comments before the content gets stopped automatically. Same with unfollows and following people. Okay, once we go down into the main settings, we can choose how often we want it to carry out these automation tasks, and then if we go into the follow, we can choose if we want to follow usernames or media source and things, and how you customize all that is down here in these tags. So this one's set to follow and like content that is to do with funny dogs. You can also do it with usernames as well, so you can have it followers of usernames, and also geolocation too, so you can add and search the geolocation part too. have it automatically comment, and of course you can have blacklists as well, so you don't follow or interact with certain people. So you can carry out a whole bunch of automation over Instagram. Same with Twitter. Twitter is basically the same as the Instagram side of things. So if we go into the settings here, that's virtually a mirror of that dashboard, but with tweets and hashtags and things like that as well. With Pinterest, you can follow, repin stuff, follow accounts, gain followers on Pinterest as well, and go back and forth. And it's the same with like Tumblr, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. So I guess for time's sake, we won't go into every single one in detail, but you can sort of see the sort of amount of depth that is in Social Zen, and it will be detailed on the sales page as well. So let's get down into the social tracker, and we will have a look here too. Okay, so with the social tracker is we can basically search trends. So with this, we've got a couple of keywords, make money and fat loss, already put into this demo account. Okay, as we can see what's trending on Twitter, or what sort of activity's been happening on Twitter. A lot of the tweets are coming through, but we can choose Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr as well, so we can see what's happening on Instagram. Now it may load a little bit slow because I'm on mobile data traveling at the moment, so apologies if we aren't able to show it very quickly here. Now if we go into the live trends, this is where it gets really interesting. We can see what's trending in in certain countries, either on Twitter or Instagram. Now there's a whole bunch of locations to choose from, and it even localizes it down into regions within a number of the top countries. So this is really good to be able to see what sort of hashtags are trending, what sort of content is trending, in case you're looking to do that sort of stuff, Okay, now if we go into the search function, this is where we can search for content. So if we go Instagram, and if we just write in the word Ferrari, it's a favorite of mine, usually pulls a lot of results because it's a powerful brand in the world, as you probably heard on lots of things I've done. So here we go. Got a whole bunch of things. Now we can favorite this to put it into our favorites, as you can see on the left, for using as content later on. But if we go into edit, what I can do is I can choose whether to post this on my Facebook, on my Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Tumblr. Okay, I can even schedule it in, choose a date and time, add in the text, and schedule it or publish it as my own onto my profiles. So this is how you go about finding content, and then can repost it as your own or post it onto your pages in order to bring viral traffic towards it. Okay, now if we go down into the auto poster, this is very similar. So if we go into scheduled posts, we can see a full calendar of the posts that are scheduled. So this is a clean demo account. There's only there's one a example one there, so we can be able to see sort of what sort of lists are going on from there. Now if we go into dashboard, okay, because I just wanted to quickly show you that first, we can go schedule post. Now from here, what we can do is we can again select what we did before, but I just want to show you something. Let's go into Instagram and let's upload an image. So if we go add files, and I find an image here, we've got one of myself, just at my computer. Okay, cool, so that's all uploaded. Now what I can do is if I click this edit button, is it has an inbuilt photo editor for Instagram. So what we can do is we can do a whole bunch of different effects. We can change filters, things like that right within this, which is really, really awesome. We can also crop it. We can also do a whole bunch of different things, as you can see up the top here. So it does have quite a comprehensive photo editor, and we can edit the text on there. Now we can save this as well after we've edited it, and this will go back into our profile. Now it might take a little while to save because I am on the mobile broadband here. Okay, so now with this, I can either post it to my account with a whole bunch of text, and I can even upload it to my Instagram story, which is really, really cool to be able to do it into story mode. You can also do it with videos. Just remember, on Instagram, videos are limited to 60 seconds. Okay, so you can do all this sort of stuff. You can also do a bulk upload. You can, basically upload a whole bunch of content that you can use in future, for future posts as well, and have it stored on there, and again, manage accounts and things like that as well. So as you can see, basically it is a very comprehensive software for people to manage their social media accounts. I think some of the, when you go into its abilities in Facebook, its abilities to be able to post and automate Instagram, same with Twitter and Pinterest, it does have a lot of depth. This is, my personal views. It does have a lot of depth. It does lack some of the depth that some of the other specific ones have, like specific Instagram softwares, specific Twitter softwares, but it is also very, very handy to have it all in one place. So I think, if you're looking to have a whole bunch of tasks that you can execute within one dashboard, this is very good for you. If you don't have any automation software for your, social media, this is for you as well. You definitely want to check this out. It does make it very, very simple. And to be honest, the amount of stuff that you can do in this actually really impressed me. I was blown away. I was not expecting it to be this good or this in depth within each sort of niche like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So if you want to have a look at all the full details, please check it out down below on the bonus page. Also, the sales page details it quite a lot with checklists and things, so you know exactly what it can do in each separate Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and things like that. But hopefully this demo has given you a good enough heads up to be able to show you the sort of things you can do with Social Zen and the depth there is inside each account. It's super easy to post, find content, repost, promote yourself, and also schedule and things like that as well. So this is Sam R. It's been a pleasure to show you through this. Make sure to check it all out down below. Get in during the early bird as well, and check out the bonuses on offer as well. So enjoy this. See you in the Social Zen members area, and no doubt we will talk again soon.